Today we're going to bring a non-inflatable kids pool. This is outdoor, indoor. It could be used for pets too also. Now, if you're going to put kids in here, always watch your kids, even on a 1 foot of water.
And then these pull out right here on the sides, so you can filter. Flatten it out.
All right. Oh, yeah, this is easy to put together.
Hold on, let me move this one.
Oh, yeah, thanks.
Hold on, you see that?
I'm over here. I'm over here now. Make sure you put the cap.
Oh, you put some water in it?
Yep.
Hold it down.
Okay.
Let's be careful.
Can I get in it too?
Yeah.
Mira, Marlon, throw the box. Yay. Oh, it doesn't bounce. Yeah, play with him with his hand. Yay. Here, I'll sit down. Throw it, Brandon, throw it.
Just like toss it, just toss it.
Down. Like this, look. Like this. Merlin, grab the box.
All right.
Yay.
Unplug that one. Unplug that one.
Now, to put away the pool is very simple. There's 2 plugs on the side and 1 on the corner too that you got to worry about. Once you have that unplugged and set up, the water will drain out and it's very simple to put away. After you drain all the water out, you can fold it back and the legs fold back too also, so you could use this some other time. Before you actually fold it together, make sure you dry it out too. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.